I do not think that we should be overly alarmed. I feel that a common citizen, especially residing in the Jammu province, should remain alert mentally, because the intent of the adversary continues to be inimical. However, his capability to harm is not as he intends to project. Yes, it's a long border, porous, difficult, and a whole country or a whole system there is subverted, I would say, is convoluted. So we have a challenge. No one is shying away from the reality that there is a challenge. But that the Indian state and its government has the wherewithal, the will, the resoluteness to defeat it and not allow it to become a cause of concern where normal life, business activities and peace and security would be